Are you interested to know how I use Barkeeper's Friend? Stay tuned. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Narissa and I recently had the opportunity to stop in to my local Salvation Army where I spotted a beautiful copper planter. Now as you can see, it is not, let's say, looking its absolute best. However, I saw some beautiful things that really stuck out, such as this lion's head on the handle and its beautiful feet. And I decided that I would purchase it anyways and restore it back to its former glory. So today I'm going to tell you how I was able to do that. So let's start with Barkeeper's Friend. Barkeeper's Friend was how I was able to restore this back to its glory. So I start with a rag and I dampen it, and I use my Barkeeper's Friend and I put it on my wet rag. Now I'm going to find a space that's kind of hidden where I can test out to see if it will work on my project. So as you can see, I'm just rubbing it in to see if it will help clean it off. And as you can see, it's doing an excellent job. So I just keep rubbing and rubbing and rubbing until I get it as clean as I possibly can. So now that I can see that it works in this one spot, I've decided that I'm going to do it for the rest of it. And if you look and compare, you can see how much different it is. And this is my final product. So I used Barkeeper's Friend all over this entire planter, and I was able to restore it back to what it looked like. So whenever you go out and you're thrifting, don't be afraid to find something that may not look as prettiest, but something that you can see the potential in and can restore. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you soon.